Okay guys, just switched the camera on. It's Friday and we're back to the small account. Probably the last update I'll do on this for a while because nobody really seems to be interested in it. And they're getting lacerated every day. So kind of just do it for me and the squad. Now, I'm currently in the trade as we speak. It's staged in a couple of times. I've also got an extra piece that I can put in here, and then I'll run it maybe up to around this swing point. The whole goal of this is just to get maybe a fiver net total. Let me kind of show you where that is while I set this up. Now, see, I've got two positions in, one at 50, one at 20. One at 20, so drop that in. Currently at 533.25, so that's our usable money. 10% day allowance. We've got a 50. We haven't closed it off yet. It's gold. It's actually gold and I what we're doing this morning. It is. We are still short selling this. A bit tired this morning. Normally I'm on a Friday, and we're looking for the morning surge. Comes in roughly between 7 and 8 every morning, and that's what we're after. Now I've also put a secondary position in because I like to stage it. And what I'm doing with this is I put the first position in around 50, and then I build up the total position to about 133. It's kind of, if I was staging how I would normally do, I'll do it in equal increments. But what I'm trying to do is get one quick snap, and if not, just build up a little bit extra. And I'm kind of doing it through this sort of compound plan. At the moment, I need it to get to 549 for it to move up to a base of 60p a time. Okay, so I'm just looking at that, and as you can see, I'm going to compound the bids up based on a baseline of 10 pips, and that's the general gist of what we're trying to do. Now, as that moves up, eventually that'll turn into 60, knowing I'm at that point. And it's just a way of me keeping track of what's going on. Now, at the moment, it seems to be pushing down. If you haven't seen this, we're already up to 33.25, so I've got a profit farm of 1663. Now, I may actually take that out today. In fact, I think I will. I think we'll start farming and harvesting. I was trying to see whether we could do it at the end of the month, but maybe doing it at the end of each week. Take out whatever's in here, because what will happen is, I'll just quickly show you that. It goes to 16. It'll drop down, and then it'll start again looking for half of what's left. Okay, just means you can farm it out and you're still growing whatever it is. Now we're looking for 462. So if I just put that over to here, we'll see there's the surge coming in that we're waiting for, and we're up to target. Boom, boom, take them off. Even if it runs down, I'm not bothered, because all I'm interested in is I had more than 462 and we got 538. Now that was split into 246 and 291. There we go. So just drop that back in so you can see this. There it is there. So we've now got 1931 we can take out. I think that's not too bad. So if you bear with me half a second, we shall pull up Black Bull. Let me just pause this and I'll log in. Okay, so we logged in. So we're going to take out 1931. So if you bear with me. So what we do, if I pull down this wallet, we can see, so I want to do an internal transfer source from there. and we're going to transfer it into the Scruffy wallet, which is there, and we're going to transfer 1931, submit, proceed. That's it. So we've now got money in our account, and our trading account will now have reduced to 1931. And if I just flick that over, and you'll see we now got 52 in the British wallet, which is assigned to this. So we've taken 1931 as wage, and it's just dropped that back. So there we go. So we're now being paid this week. All right, it's not a great deal in the grand scheme of things. People are going, oh, that's shit, you've only got 20 quid. But I'm dealing with pennies. That £500 has generated me 20 quid this week. And I've increased the starting pot, which means the balance is increasing as well, which means eventually that'll start increasing. And then that's the gross, what we've done this month. And then if we flick it through, down onto summary, it'll start telling me where we're up to. So that's what the year end is net. That's what the year end is, what we've totally done. Since we started this exercise, it's done 791 pips. And we've actually got some wages out of it now, where it's generated me 52 quid. So it's now starting to take money out of it every month. This builds up, and that's what this is all about. Get that wallet to 250, and I'll withdraw it down into my bank account because it's a nice round number, and then I'll drop that into my Vanguard, and my Vanguard will start increasing. So what I've done is I'm using that 500 as a baseline to get 250, and then that 250 goes into a longer term investment, and it'll pay me as well. So the whole thing is paying over and over. And that's what trading's all about. It's about managing what you're doing and getting to understand your expectations correctly. And if you do that, and you're not looking to sort of make $1 million in a week, you'll find you do okay with this. So that's your final thoughts on this one. How I'm doing it and why I'm doing it. And it's really done for Fossil. So there you are, kid. And I'll keep you all posted, and I'll keep it going for you, kid. And we will show you how to lose that shift. So I'm doing this for you. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.